Hi, I'm Katie Jilka, and welcome to my continuous improvement presentation. Why are we here? To help our students become successful in all facets of their lives. Today we're going to really dig into our data and look at where we're at and what we can do to improve. Let's start with talking about who we are as a school. At Lincoln Elementary, we are the Leopards, and we are also striving to be Lincoln Leaders. We're from Augusta, Kansas, and our enrollment numbers are 234. We're a two-section school, K through 5. 100% of our teachers are highly qualified and licensed. Looking at the students who attend our school, 44% were female, 55% male. We are a school that is predominantly white. 38% of our students are economically disadvantaged, while 62% are non-disadvantaged. Students with disabilities make up 21% of our population, and 78% do not have disabilities. We have good attendance, higher than the state and district average. Now let's look at what drives us. We're going to look at our Leader in Me theme. First, our district mission, student success, is number 1. This used to be student achievement is number 1, but they've broadened that goal so it encompasses more aspects of the student rather than just their academics. Our building level mission statement. We believe everyone is valued. As a collaborative team with a foundation of good communication, enthusiasm, and strong relationships, we will nurture and prepare responsible, productive citizens. Many of us have classroom mission statements that we say with our students every day after the Pledge of Allegiance. Mine was, in this classroom, we create, respect, celebrate, and learn. We are a team. We've all done the book study over The Leader in Me by Stephen Covey, and this is our school theme. We want to create kind, capable, driven leaders. And all of these bulleted lines are things that we should be implementing in our classroom and school. Everyone should be reading the 7 Habits of Happy Kids to their students, having bulletin boards that pertain to the 7 habits posted throughout the school. The 7 habits posters should be posted in your rooms. Every student has a leadership notebook in which they create their own goals, and there should be a bulletin board dedicated to classroom goal setting. And students have the opportunity to apply for student jobs throughout the year. These are the 7 habits, just a reminder. Be proactive, begin with the end in mind, put first things first, think win-win, seek first to understand, then to be understood, synergize, and sharpen the saw. So, who we are as a school, we are trying to create leaders, not only of our students, but of ourselves, so we can improve our soft skills, not just our academic skills. Okay, let's look at some academic scores. Where are we at now? What gaps are we going to see, and where do we want to be? Our goal, where do we want to be? 70% of our students will score in Level 3 Effective or Level 4 Excellent. Let's look at where we're at. This is our math performance level report. We are not at 70% excellent or effective yet. ELA, 11% excellent, 30% effective. Science, 7% excellent, 25% effective. Our graduation rate in Augusta is 92.1%, which is good, but we still want to keep track of those kids in that 7.9%, and we want to do everything we can to help them reach that graduation day. Same with the dropout rate. We want to address that 1.7%, however small that may seem. How can we get to where we want to be and make sure we keep improving? Well, we're going to collaborate for an hour every week with our co-teachers, special education teachers, and principal. The administrator is going to be there to help keep everyone on track. We're going to collect data in a timely manner, analyze that data in a timely manner, and use that data to guide our instruction. Don't be afraid of change. This is where we transfer from being data-driven to knowledge-driven, when we let the data guide our instruction. We are going to continue, or start, using the research-based programs available to our district. Be mindful. Work toward being knowledge-driven rather than data-driven. Strive for constant improvement. Let the data drive your instruction. We're here for the kids. Let's do everything we can to help them be successful.